Hello guys, so in this video let's understand about the testing principle, that is defect clustering and pesticide paradox, which are very important in the testing principles. So the name itself, defect clustering. Okay, so in simple understanding we can also call the bug as a defect. Bug is also called as a defect. So here defect clustering means, cluster means a group. Okay, so forming anything as a group, nothing but the cluster. Here what we are understanding the name itself, defect clustering means many bugs or many defects can be available in a single place or the in a less area, right? So in the same way the testing principle also saying that in a project a small number of the model can contain most of the defects. In a project, small number of the model can contain most of the defects. Okay, and see here, consider these are the models. So here explained as a chips. Okay, so consider defects are nothing but the bugs. So these are like unclustered defects, nothing but consider each module as one functionality, or each chip as one particular functionality. Here, randomly, one module is containing roughly one bug. Okay, so here we are finding there is no clustering of the defects in a functionality or the model. But see here, here we are finding more number of the bugs are existing in less number of the models. More number of the bugs are existing, less number of the models. So roughly here only 5 models are containing almost all of the bugs in that particular project or in that particular application. So this all green color are the good models in the application, and these cookies looking like cookies. These are nothing but the bugs in that particular model. So here this particular model is having 3 bugs. These models are having each two bugs. Okay, a small number of the model can contain most of the defects. Small number of the models means here roughly we are having almost to 15 models. So in this 15 models, 5 models are having the bug. So remaining all 10 models are not having the bugs. Okay, so that's why we are calling this a small number of the models are containing most of the bugs. Containing most of the bugs. So nothing but that is clustering of the bugs in the less number of the models. Okay, so and this is explained by the principle, Pareto principle. So Pareto principle, what it is saying, so this is talking about 80:10 ratio. Okay, so it is talking 80 and 10 ratio. So 80%, okay, 80% of the bugs exist in 20% of the models. 80% of the bugs, nothing but almost to 80% of the bugs are existing in 20% of the models, and remaining 20% of the bugs will have where? In 80% of the models. So consider this all is a 80% of the models. We are having just only 20% of the bugs. So this is explained by the Pareto principle. That means less number of the models can contain more number of the bugs. That is nothing but defect clustering. Okay, so this is one principle in testing principles and very important too. So let's see again, another principle and the testing principle, that is pesticide paradox. So these are the two principle, defect clustering and pesticide paradox will be asked directly in interview also. Of course, we do have almost 7 principles, but I'm not going to give all the 7 principles in this video itself, but you can understand them. One defect clustering and the pesticide paradox here clearly. Okay, so what the pesticide paradox is explaining here is, just understand the name first. Pesticide paradox. Let's understand what is pesticide. So pesticide is like a remedy we do use for the better crop. So which is affecting by infections and some other crop flu. So those will be get become healthier because of this using pesticide. Okay. So but how this is related to our software testing? Okay, how this is related to our software testing. So just have a look here. So here, consider this guy is a software test engineer. So he's performing pesticide on the software bug. So what is this his guy is using means not exactly the pesticide which is available in the shop, guys. Okay, so this is nothing but a review process at software test engineer is following to get the and to get uh, and to get a better performance or to get a better way of the execution of testing on the build. Okay, so means so what we are doing, what the test engineer is applying the pesticide on the bug means repeating the same test cases again and again will not find new bugs, right? Repeating the same test cases again and again will not find the new bugs. Okay, so for example, in our test cases, whatever you written in the Excel sheet, let's consider you written A, B, C, and A, okay, and E, F, and C, and G. So consider, just observe here, A is a test case, and again here also a test case is again A. So C is a test case, and here also again a C is a test case. So here A and C got duplicated. Okay, so already a test engineer executed this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and also this one and this one. So here what is happening means already this candidate executed a test case A and again he executing the same test case. Okay, already executed the test case C and again he executed the test case C. So because of this duplication process, already executed the test case again and again will not find the new bug, right? Whatever the result you are getting in this test case, no, so same you will get here also. So this is a duplication action, nothing but waste of your time and the efforts. So that's why repeating the same test cases again and again will not find the new bugs. So that's why what we can do here is you can do the process review of the test cases. So it is necessary to review the test cases. So in this review, what you will do focus. So we have to add the test cases if it is missed from the requirement. Okay, you have to update the requirement test cases. So whatever you written so far, okay, and you can also delete if it is duplicate. Okay, because of this process, our test cases will be get in a better way to get the better quality of the software. So that's why review of the test case is important for the test engineer, and that will be act as a pesticide on the crop. How the pesticide will give the better result for the crop. In that way, the review process will also give the better test cases, nothing but unique test cases. So which if you do execute now, the better way of the best coverage of the execution will happen with the unique test cases. Okay, so this is about the pesticide paradox. So these are the two important testing principles, defect clustering and the pesticide paradox. Defect clustering is followed by the Pareto principle again. Just focus on what is Pareto principle. So this will talk about 80 and 20 is formula. Okay, so for all the testing principles, so all we are having almost 7 testing principles. So for all the testing principles, so just do follow the link given in this video. Okay, you can find all the testing principles there. Thank you, guys.